6 backyard kitchen ideas. Outdoor dining spaces are becoming more popular. They're a significant investment, but they can transform your backyard into a year-round oasis. Let's explore 6 outdoor kitchen ideas for your home. Number 1. Fireplace or fire feature. As the weather gets colder, a fire feature can provide warmth and a cozy atmosphere. From simple stone fire pits to elaborate outdoor fireplaces, these features can also be used for cooking, like roasting hot dogs or making s'mores. Number 2. Other outdoor cooking methods. Grills are a staple in outdoor kitchens, but why not add a pizza oven or a griddle top? Stone pizza ovens are perfect for fresh baked bread or pizza, while griddles add variety to your outdoor cooking. Number 3. Wraparound outdoor kitchen and bar tops. If you love entertaining, consider a wraparound kitchen countertop. It's great for serving drinks and creates a communal and engaging space. Number 4. Pergola or gazebo covered outdoor space. A pergola or gazebo provides cover from the sun or rain, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space in any weather. Number 5. Built-in TVs. If you host large parties, a built-in TV can provide entertainment for your guests while you cook. It's also a great way to keep everyone outside during big events like Thanksgiving. Number 6. Other cool outdoor kitchen ideas. Consider stone or slate countertops for durability and a sleek look. Whether you prefer a modern or rustic aesthetic, stone can be adapted to fit your design. Investing in an outdoor kitchen is a big decision, but with the right design and craftsmanship, it can be a unique and enjoyable addition to your home.